Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how can we open and close an application. You may have one question, what kind of application can we open and close? It can be any application that is having a user interface. We can use open application and close application activities to open and close an application. These two activities are very useful in any of the projects. To demonstrate about open application and close application activity, I'll create a workflow. I'll name it as open and close application. I'll add some annotation. This workflow demonstrate about open application and close application activity. Now I'll take an activity by the name of open application. I'll type application over here and I can find this open application within system and application. Now to demonstrate this, I want to consider as an example that I have a Word document and I want to open and close that Word document. So I'll create a Word file. I'll add some sample text. This is sample document to demonstrate about open application and close application activity. I'll save this. I'll save this as test doc. Now I'll click here on indicate window on screen. Then I'll click here on Word document. So this activity is captured. Open application will open a Word document test doc. If required, we can rename this as open application only. Here I'll go to one of its properties, that is selectors. Here there is one property by the name of title. Means it can open any document that is having title as testdoc.word. So I'll make it as star. Means it can open any document that is having any title. I will explain about this in my upcoming videos that will be related to selectors. So I'll validate this and I will click on OK. Now I'll close my Word document. Now I'll execute this. So it has opened Word application, but it has not opened document that we have created. For that, we need to make one more change. Here in arguments, we need to specify path of our file. We will specify this in double quotes. I will execute this again. So this time it has opened our document. Now I'll explain about close application activity. Here in close application, I'll click indicate on screen. I'll click on my Word file. Now I'll close my Word file. I'll execute this. Opening Word document and closed. We have noticed this, but I will apply one delay activity over here so that we can have a look at the document. I'll apply a gap of 2 seconds. That open this document, wait for 2 seconds, and then execute next activity, that is close application activity. I'll discuss more about this delay activity in my upcoming tutorials. Now I'll execute this. It has opened. Now it will wait for 2 seconds and closed. So this is how open application and close application activity works. With this, I will wind up this session. Please like this video and watch it again if you have missed any of the step.